The party's just getting started and the band is really fun now. Let's give a warm welcome to Tunes of I.
Fire burning in you, I can see it in your stare. Fire and I faces don't mix, and if I play, I might get burned. Treat me like you would your friend, or else I'm gonna have to put you out. Cause you're spraying fire to me too, and not a lot of places, no doubt. Oh girl, why you do this to me? Oh girl, making me crazy. Oh girl, why you do this to me? Oh girl, making me crazy. And I don't know how to say no. Well, there's a girl I know with fire in her eyes, and it flows through my veins too. This temptation, it overwhelms me and draws me even closer to you. Well, I know the circumstances that I've got to deal, and the hand I got dealt wasn't ace too short, and the situation can be real.